Hey guys, today I'm filming my December update for my sample project pan series, and I am gonna have a video at the end of this month just letting you know what things I finished, and I also am going to tell you out of all the samples I tried this year which ones would I purchase in the full size. I've done that for the past, this might be my third year, and I just think that's like a fun way to end the project. And then anything that I'm still working on, I'm just going to show you where I stand in the intro for 2022. And I finished a good bit of things this month, so I'm going to try not to ramble too much because I do have a lot of things I decluttered as well, like always. So let's get into it. Look at this regrowth here. I've like already tried to hairspray it down. It's not happening. Let's just try to distract from it. Let's get into the empties, starting with hair. So I did finish a couple foil samples. Of course, I finished another of my Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Microexfoliating Shampoo. The best scalp scrub type product that I've ever tried because it's easier to work through the hair. This is definitely something that I would purchase if it went on sale. Then I used the Christophe Hydrating Melting Mask with Aloe Vera. I do not like the scent of aloe because it mostly smelled like cucumber. And this was okay, but I actually think the prickly pear hair mask that I used last month, I think that moisturized my hair better than this one, but I don't like either of them because of the scent. Then I have the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Aloe and Oat Milk Ultra Soothing Shampoo Conditioner. This is too hydrating for my hair. Would not repurchase. I did also use up a mini conditioner. This is the Wella Invigo Brilliance Vibrant Color Conditioner. Didn't do anything for me, wasn't super hydrating. Scent is fine, but yeah, I would not repurchase that if I get any other minis. I'm just going to pass it on. Then for skincare empties, we have quite a few, which is exciting. I really wanted to try to finish up some more products by the end of the year because I will be doing an updated inventory for hair, skin, and body, and then like a separate makeup one in January. So try and knock out some more things. So I finished up 3 mini makeup removing cleansing balms. The first is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I absolutely love this. This is my favorite. It gets off all of the makeup from my face and eyes without burning and without leaving a film. This is probably the second best that I've tried. I finished 2 minis of the Belif Aqua Balm Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. I do think that this one is very nice, but I like the Clinique just a little bit more. I think it breaks it up even a little bit better, and Clinique usually goes half off at Ulta once or twice a year, so I would be able to get it for a better deal than the Belif, but if I get more minis, I'll totally use them up. I've tried a lot of other cleansing balms that I have not liked, so this is number 1. This is number 2. Then I finished this Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. The exfoliant is like a very fine sandy scrub that isn't like too much. I felt it was too much for me to combine with another scrub, but I feel like it's easy enough to use every day, but I have like really tough skin. This was very nice. I would definitely use up more minis if I got them, but I don't think I'd purchase it in the full size. It's just hard for me to see how I could back up buying a full-size cleanser from a high-end brand, from drugstore brand. Sure, I would definitely buy other high-end products from. This is a very good product. I would totally use up another mini if I got it. It's probably not something I would buy in the full size just because I think it's going to be hard for me to find a high-end cleanser that I think is worth purchasing, but very, very good. Definitely recommend that. Then I used up a serum, the Filorga Age Purify Intensive Double Correction Serum for wrinkles and blemishes. It was okay, didn't do much, but not repurchase. Then I used up all of these serum foil samples. So happy. Again, I was trying to knock it out. I do have some more foil samples that I will try to start out January with to knock them out, but I was really happy to get through these. These have been kicking around for a while. The first one is something that I've reviewed before, First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. I like the texture of this a lot. Definitely would be interested in that. I finished the Summer Fridays CC Me serum. I actually think that this is a little too strong. There was a day where I got it up a little bit under my eyes and it totally made my skin very irritated, very dry. And because of that, it makes me a little nervous to use this, but I'm also wondering why I don't have that with other vitamin C serums. Like, is this that much stronger? I guess so. So I'm just like nervous to try it because of that. And then I had the Beauty Counter All Bright C Serum, and I thought this was nice as well. Neither of these were sticky. They were like a nice, like creamy, serum-y consistency, which I really like. If you're interested in Beauty Counter, my friend Lauren sells it. I will have her Instagram down below. I also finished the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum, just to not do anything. Like, no, I will not waste my cheddar on that. Then I finished another duo pack. I finished one of these last month. Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydrating Serum. Was fine, didn't do anything. A Passioni Retinol Cream was okay. Wouldn't repurchase. I just don't see myself needing much retinol yet. And also, honestly, I had such a hard time using some of the products this month because I don't know much about skincare and what should and should not go together. I will tell you, when I put some things on together, my face got a little tingly, which is why I love the Belif moisturizers, because they're so simple and I guess don't have a ton of like sensitive active ingredients, that it worked well with all the different serums I used, because you know I used a lot of different kinds. So speaking of, I did use up a mini Belif Aqua Balm, my favorite daytime moisturizer ever. I have several more minis and some full sizes to work through. Also this morning I finished my little mini Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. Love this eye cream. It does not give me milia. It's not too heavy. It's not slippery or oily. This is just so perfect for me. I have several more minis and a full size to get through. Then I finished my mask. Yay me. This is the Glam Glow Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. This is a silver peel off mask. It was fun, not necessary. I would use it up if I got it. I pass on basically all other masks besides Glam Glow. I just think Glam Glow is good, and even though nobody cares about the brand anymore, really, I still like get excited when I get those minis. So yeah, wouldn't repurchase though. Then I'm just gonna show you my two body empties. These are random. This first one is the Derma E Eczema Relief Cream. So Derma E did send this to me a while ago, and we use this on my son sometimes. He was getting like a couple dry patches on his skin. It's really since gone away. So this was very nice if I get this sent. So this is super nice. If this is sent to me again, I will definitely use it up on him. Derma E, I think, is a very wonderful brand. Great for sensitive skin. Very affordable. A lot of their products are sold at Ulta, so you can use coupons on this brand as well. Very good right now. For him, we're using the Vitamin IU cream from Derma E. Similar, except that one has a little bit more of an aloe scent, has a little bit thicker. So like texture wise, if I was using it, I would like this one more because it's not as heavy, but very good, and it lasts us a long time on him. Of course, he's a lot smaller than me, so goes a long way. And then I used up the 6-ounce size of the Equate 100% acetone nail polish remover, my absolute favorite. I pour this bottle into a CVS twist and lock pump because I will knock this over if I just use it like this. But with that pump bottle, it's just perfect. And this is $1. It does me good. So those were the things that I finished. We are under 10 minutes. Very good. And now on into the things that I'm going to be using this month. So for hair, we have my last Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Microexfoliating Shampoo Foil Sample. I have a deluxe size sample. I'm happy to like be finishing these, but also I really love them. So kind of sad, but good. I'm glad I'm using them. Then I have another hair mask. This might be my last hair mask. This is the Alterna My Hair, My Canvas Cool Hydrations Nourishing Mask. We'll see. And then I picked a shampoo conditioner foil packet, the Amika 3D Volume and Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. We'll see about that. But I do really want to focus on finishing the shampoo. I think I'm about halfway done. The Wella Invigo Brilliance Color Protection Shampoo. It's just okay, but you know, I'm just gonna finish it. And then the conditioner that I'm gonna be using with that is a hair mask. This is the Joico Defy Damage Protective Mask. I've only used it once or twice so far, so this will last me a little while, but I always use up conditioners before I use up my shampoos. Then my leave-in product is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Potion, and I am right here. So a lot left. This will probably take me probably 2 to 3 more months to get through. I absolutely love this product. It was just the oldest in my collection. Then for my dry shampoo, I'm using the Kristen S Style Reviving Dry Shampoo. I think I have like 1 or 2 more uses left. I'll tell you, I don't really like this, but I can get through it. Then for skincare products, for my makeup remover, I just have full-size products now. This is the oldest one. I bought it in January of last year. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and I haven't used it at all. It's brand new. Let me know if you guys want me to share this with you every month just to see my progress. I figure, you know, why not? But it is brand new. I have not used it yet. For cleanser, this is also brand new. This is the Kinship Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. I have older mini cleansers, but I don't think I'll be able to get through this in a month, but we'll see. I think this is like the smallest size I have right now. It's 0.53 ounces. I haven't tried anything from Kinship. Then we've got my Pure Joystick Exfoliating Deep Pore Cleanser. I didn't use it at all last month because I literally just finished that Murad cleanser last night and I didn't want to overdo it. So this is all that's left. It's possible to finish it. I think if, you know, I only had a little bit left, I might use some of it on my body. But again, I don't want to be wasteful, but I do have other face scrubs to use. And this has lasted me a while. So maybe finish this at the end of the month. If not, I will finish it, you know, by the end of January. Then for my toner, I'm using the Saturday Skin 10% Glycolic Acid Pore Control Complex. I'm going to be using this for like 4 more months maybe. So we were right here at the last update, now down to here, so that is a pretty good jump, but yeah, probably 4 more months to get through it. It's a fine product. Then for serums, I only have 2 minis left, and I have 1 foil sample. I've already started using this. I probably have 1 or 2 more uses left. This is the Replenix Anti-Aging Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. So definitely want to finish that. And then the other serums that I have left would be this 1/2 ounce size of the Dr. Zenovia Hyaluronic Acid Peptide Serum. And then I also have the Sunday Riley Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment. I've used this one a couple of times. I think I'll have this finished by the end of the month, but not this one. I haven't started yet, and there's a lot in here. The Sunday Riley has 5 mils. This is 15 mils, so 3 times the amount of product. So then we have my moisturizers. I have this little foil sample I want to finish from Replenix. It's the Redness Reducing Triple AOX Cream. I also have a Aqua Balm from Belif. I probably have like 3 or 4 more uses left in this one. And this is not old, this is very new, but it's the only non-Belif moisturizer I have left, so I want to use it. This is also from Replenix, their anti-aging line. It is the Age Restored Nighttime Therapy. So this has 1/2 ounce or 15 grams in it. So this should last me a little while. And this will be my nighttime moisturizer. And then just a little random thing I have here is the Beauty Counter Overnight Resurfacing Peel Sample. And for eye cream, again, I want to use the only one I have that is not Belif. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Eye Cream. We'll see how well that works. And then I do still have this SVR Palpabrow Eye Cream for irritated eyelids and anti-itching and soothing cream. I did try this on one eye and the Belif on the other on the days where I did 2 makeup looks in one day. And I did feel like this made a little bit of a difference. So I'm going to keep it for now. But at the end of next month, I'll let you know for sure if I'm going to hang on to it or pass it on. I might just pass it on. But we'll see. You know, it is serving a purpose for me right now. Then we've got body products. So for my body scrub, I'm using the Ameliorate Smoothing Body Exfoliant. And I was right here last month. Now I'm all the way down here. So I should be done with this in 2 months. I'm trying not to waste this. This is so good. Like I told you guys last month, I think this is a better version of the Bump Eraser from First Aid Beauty. Very good. Then for my body lotion, which I'm not consistent about using it and usually just use it on my arms and my hands. This is the First Day Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, the candy cane version, which is new for this holiday. This is just a 2-ounce bottle. And I was right here last month. Now I'm down here. So 2 to 3 more months to be done with that. And then we have the Olay Deep Hydration Serum with B3 and hyaluronic acid. I think I should have like 2 more uses left in this. Literally the last time I used it, I had to have it upside down and let it pour into my hand for a while, but I did not want to waste it. So that would definitely be done by the end of the year, which is gonna make me feel so good. Also, something that will be done by the end of the year, and I was nervous about this. This is a little mini of the Dolce & Gabbana, the Only One perfume. So we're up here last month, now all the way down here, which is very, very good. Feel great about that. So now we have a bunch of things that I'm decluttering. There are some things that I already gave away that I will mention, and that would be some things from Dr. Zenobia. I think Dr. Zenobia has amazing products, but they send me stuff every month and I can only hoard so many backups. So I passed some things on to my aunt and my uncle. My uncle still has some acne prone skin, so I did give him the, oh, I forgot to show you these. I'm still working on these. I used a couple this month. The Dr. Zenobia 10% glycolic acne control peel pads. I had 3 of these, so I gave 1 to him. So now I have the one I'm using and 1 backup. I also gave him their benzoyl peroxide spot treatment and the benzoyl peroxide acne cleanser, because I had 3 of those. So I did give him 1 of those as well. I did also give my aunt my backup of the peptide and ceramide repairing moisturizer, and the 2 products I just got in PR from her, which would be an eye cream and a serum. I gave those to my aunt as well. I am also decluttering the first jar I had of the Dr. Zenobia peptide and ceramide repairing moisturizer. It's just okay to me. I've used it so many times and there's so much left, so it's just gonna take me too long to get through it. I'm gonna pass it on and just try something else for my backup stash. So not bad. If I got a little mini, I'd use it up, but I just don't want to commit to using up this full size. And then I didn't put it in here, but I am going to declutter my Bath & Body Works shower gel in the Winter Candy Apple scent, because I'm just not into it anymore because it's not meshing with my post-baby body chemistry and my scent. It is just not working for me anymore, unfortunately. So I am gonna pass on the bottle I'm using and my backup, which is just sad. It's sad, but I'm so glad I have other shower gels to use. And then lots of other random things here. I have 3 of the Redken Deep Clean Dry Shampoo. I have 2 minis and a full size. I had started using a mini and I got all of these as freebies. It does not do anything for me. It doesn't soak up oil well enough, so I'm going to pass all of those on. We also have the Big Sexy Hair Dry Shampoo. It also did not soak up oil very well for me, so I'm going to declutter that. I have the Urban Skin RX Clear Complexion Acne Serum and Spot Treatment. This was way too thick for me. I did not like the consistency. It was a little sticky as well. Then I have the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. I used up one of these earlier this year. It's just not for me. It's just blah, so I'd rather pass it on. Then I have a mini of the Dolce & Gabbana, the Only One perfume. So I have the one I'm using, 2 minis, and I have a 1-ounce bottle, and I have like a purse spray size. So I'm gonna be passing on one of the minis. I would rather use up the ones that I spent money on, you know? So I'm gonna give one of these to a friend, which I'm excited about. Again, it's a scent I really like, but just don't need 100 of. That was everything for this update for my sample project pan. So I hope you guys are excited for the video at the end of the month where I'm gonna let you know what I finish. But most excitingly, I'm going to tell you about all the samples I tried this year that I would purchase in the full size, and I would love to hear your thoughts on any of the products I mentioned here today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.